Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the extraction was not completed, error 0x8096002A on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. And the final solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.